everything. Rust.
It could be this simple forever.
Hey, what's going on everybody? JP here from Wander to Get Lost, and in today's video, which may turn out to be 1, 2, 3 videos long, we're going to start painting our RV. So a while back we decided that we were kind of tired of the swooshes and the tan color, and we wanted to give it a little more pop and freshen it up a bit. So that's what we're going to be starting today. What we're going to be doing is the bottom bins and the drip edge are going to be Largo blue, and then the rest of the RV will be just an off-white all around. First step today is taking off all of the bin doors here on the passenger side. I'm gonna have to bump out the slide a bit to get in there. We're gonna take all of this off and then do some prep work today, sand them down, get them primed, and I think we may be able to paint today, but it looks like probably tomorrow to paint all the bins and the trim work for the passenger side. We're just trying to figure out how to do it so that way I don't have to constantly change out the spray guns and it could just be sprayed 1 hour. We are using Total Boat, which is a boat paint, but it can also be used for RVs. The good thing is that it will allow you to paint down to 40 degrees and still cure up, so that's good. It's about 57 right now. This week's going to be probably in the 50s and 60s. Next week it's supposed to rain a lot, so today is Tuesday. Probably have till Sunday to try and get this done. Who knows if it's going to work. Yeah, so the biggest thing is going to be obviously prep, and that's what we got to get started on. So all right, here we go. All right, so the other thing I'm also going to be doing while I take off all the bins and the coverings that are going to be painted is I'm going to do some rust remediation. I already started here. I removed this section. Here's where the panel connected. You know, we have some rust here. If you're not familiar with Winnebagos, they have this drip edge that goes over the cabinet door hinges. This is held on pretty weird. I don't know if you could see, but there's a little set screw that screws into the drip rail right there. So you have to release these, then that'll allow this drip edge to pop off. So this is gonna be blue as well. So what we have to do is go underneath, open all the bins and unscrew those screws. Then we can take the drip edge off, and then we can get the doors off.
Now look at myself.
Yeah.
Look at my pants too. It's so cold out here.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, watch out. So here's the little drip edge. It was basically, it's held on by one screw and then the sealant. So yeah. All right, so now you can see under here the way this side with the overhang for the bunk beds in the bedroom, I can release these. These are just Torx bitted into this kind of welded metal here. So we can get that off pretty easily, and even down there. All right. Alright, so we also have these covers right here that hide the arm for the slide, so There's some Torx up here, and there's a little hole you can get through. So yeah, there's two more on that side. So we're gonna take these off, and then that'll pop this off, and then we got to get this guy. And I think this looks like it's riveted on. Yeah, those are rivets. And then this is the support bar that holds this down here, and then it looks like it's got a holding plate right there. And there's a holding plate down here, so it should come off pretty quickly. All right, everybody, so got this one loose from all its connections, and now I just got to drill out the rivets. Let's see. Oh. There we go. Holy crud. Yeah, all rusty back here, so just gonna have to do some rust on the steel support on the back here. Just so weird. This is aluminum, and they put a piece of steel just so it could rust out. And it's a little loose too. Look at that, the glue came off. Well, see if we can glue it back on. Alright, so now, let's see. Yeah, right there, you can see there's a screw for the drip edge. That just loosens it all up. Let's see over here, that's that one. Don't want to lose these. And there's one more down there. And that should be that. Be able to pull this off, you know. So I got it. There we go. Alright, there we go. Drip edge. And we still got some decals to finish taking off and get this sealant off, and then can actually paint this front face. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I'm getting ready to take off these other two doors, I got the drip edge loose. The one thing I have to do, and because we're doing like drip edge down, because we're doing drip edge down the Largo Blue, I need to know where the line is between the two drip edges to make a nice clean line here, because I'm going to go blue down, and then from here it will be white, obviously, so I got to carry that line across here as well. So I'm going to remove all the sealant, and then I'm just going to use some painter's tape, mark that line so I know where. Hopefully it's close enough. All right. Alright, so drip edge is off. We got 3 hinges on this main door, and they're Torx, which is kind of funny because on the other side, when I took off the rear panel for the generator to fix that, they were Phillips head. So this side is Torx. I'm just hoping they come out pretty easily. So we got 2 hinges on this side. So alright, we'll get this going, see how it goes. Big door. All I'm going to do is pop off the back for the handle on the front, because I don't want to have to tape off the handle. So I'm going to take all the handles out. And yeah. So just pop the rods, and the handle will fall right up. Alright, so I got a bunch of doors to sand down, so yeah. See you later.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Can't stop me now. Ain't backing down. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do. Ain't afraid to bare my soul. Ain't afraid to walk on coals. Hear the thunder when I step. You know where to place your bet.